Hello everyone, I have beautiful Filipino friends, Florami. So Florami, how old are you?
19.
19. So Florami, where are you from again?
Emalalod.
Emalalod. So Florami, are you working here at helper? Trabaho ka as a helper?
Yes.
How much your salary every month? Pilay mo sweldo? 5,000 a month. So, Florami, because you tell that your father is already died, then, how old are you? Your father is died. Pilay mo edad na yung papa namatay?
10.
10-year-old. So, how many children do you have? Pilay mo ka so
12.
12. So, there's a lot, 1 dozen. It's kadasina. So you have 12 brother and sister. Oh no, I mean 12 siblings. So pila ka buok babae? How many girls?
4.
4. And then how many boys?
8.
8. So the total is 12 siblings. So your father is dead. How old is she? Pila edad sila papa namatay?
Kabalo pa.
Because you are 10-year-old before. And your mother is married again already or no? So your mother is with you until until nga nidako ka imo mama ko mo. And then now you're working as a helper here in Dumaguete. Then how much your salary every month? 5,000 a month. And then every month you send your parents every month. How much you give every month your parents?
4, 5.
And then ang imong mahibilin 500 na lang. So he left is only 500 because he helped his parent because he don't have a father, because the brother and sisters are already married, and then your brother is always drunk. Sige, inom.
Ang sakit niya kay kidney ulcer.
Your father. Yeah, because this is it's a problem here in the mountain. But you tell that your brother imong mga igsoon dili ni tabang sa imong mama kasi inom. Then Flora may always help the mother because the brother always drink wine. So because don't see mo kabok, pila kabok na ninyo, how many marriage get married? 4. And then the rest is not married already. And then because you're helping your parents, it's very easy with you. Your help your parents every day. Every month, nang sayo na ba na imo nga magtabang ka sa imo mga ginikana imong mama?
Dilan ta pero ayaw na lang.
So, I think you're looking a foreigner boyfriend. So, because now because it's very hot here, we don't have some corn to, because it's very hot here in the Philippines. So, you are planning to going to Manila to get another work, or you are contented here in Dumaguete to contento ra ka diri nga trabaho ka diri? But your salary is $100 a month, 5,000, right? But then the 4,500 you give your parents and you have left only 500. And then, what is your buying at 500 pieces?
Para ko na.
Wala na.
Walid og shampoo.
It's not pretty shampoo. It's very pretty because you know that 500 left, and then the 500 like $10. So only the shampoo, how to buying your clothes. This is very very important. So every month you're visiting your parents, or so because you are 1 year here in Dumaguete working. Very very sad, right? Because it's not easy if you don't have your father, right? Dili sa inyo wala nakatapa. So, Florame, do you like, because the Florame is sad because you know about his father, he's already died. And then your mother, how old is she now? Pila na iya edad? Pero,
53.
53 years, very young. Pero okay na si mong mama kay wala mo siya nagpinili ng puso. So, nag-igalam jud mo niya until dako mo kay uban ba yung parents, some parents if you know is the husband is already died, you want she's looking another husband, right? So, do you like TikTok? you see you have a TikTok. Don't shy, Florame. Florame really, you know, is shy. But Florame, you know, is very kind lady. Is from a province. So, dumagit tip, bayon sa inyo, pilit lady niyo.
Paingan daw malalot.
Oh,
280.
280? Oh, dayon. Malalog, bayon sa inyo, hadumulay. So, kayo pagkakaban-habal.
Kuan. Parang
100?
siguro kay nalidaw kay na ko ba ka.
It's very sad because you know, it's long time ago is not visiting the parents because we don't have enough money because always send man always helping the parents to get the salary every month ka makadala. Then seeking 4545 kada bulan mo kadala. And then dili ka kapuyong ano nga. What time you wake up? 4 o'clock.
Kapoy lagi.
Tapos 4 o'clock. It's yun nga 4 o'clock ang morning. And then we don't have your salary saving because always you give your appearance, right? But you are so very, you know, you are so very good daughter because you know always you're thinking and then you always you send your little help your parents because your parent is being alone and then we don't have work, only is a farmer. But here in the Philippines we don't have now we don't have like corn to grow because it's very hot here in the Philippines, right? Then only you send a little help to your parents. And then, what is your planning? Ganahan ka mabalik ng eskwela? Hindi na ka mabalik. Maminyo na lang ka?
Og mes ko ila ko anay maka-support as kong ginikanan.
We see that if we want to back to school, we don't have we support the parent. And then, ikaw rin support sa inyong mama. Imo mga isumo lang habag. And then, napakailaing pagkaigsuon. We see that he have 4, kasi nagsumabayi ka na lang dito.
For bike lucky.
He have 4, 2 sisters and 2 brothers. Then Florame always helping to the parents because another sister he don't help to the mother, only Florame. You are so very, you know, you are so very kind because you have a good heart. You help your parents because mostly the young woman, he's not helping that, always looking for, you know, boyfriend. Kayo biyag na, wala pa. So he's very, you know, we don't have a boyfriend. He's still single because he wants to help and the parent. So Florame, thank you so much for your story in your life, and I go interviewing with you. Thank you, Florame. And then